Right, ready to say it's Tech Tuesday, and we are going to look at premium lens guards. So the scratch proof and destruction tests, there will be a link down below. INSTA360 has done a proper test. I am not sponsored by Insta, so I'm not going to smash them up because I've had to pay for all of this out of my own money, and I'm not going to test them that way. So a little disclaimer, we are going to look at the stitch line. How do they look? How do they feel? More importantly, do they affect the stitch line in 360 in any way? Let's have a look. So these are the standard plastic lens guards. They are rigid, they are solid, and they do go on nice and easily. No problem there. So, I should learn, shouldn't I? They package them so well. Already in the box it says tutorial. Very straightforward. Wants you to obviously enable lens guard mode and turn it off after removing them. Dirty or worn. So what we're actually going to do with the video as well is look at auto lens guard mode. Does that work? So that's a cheeky little sort of extra that we're going to throw in. Does auto lens guard work? So let's have a look at them. Get clean and cloth as well. Okay, so they sort of feel the same, although I know that these are tempered glass. Well, they are a bit bigger. They are bigger, look. Premium, standard. Yeah, they do stick out a few mil more. And they also have, I don't know if you could be able to see that, a different coloured button. So the standard are blue and they're red. All right, well, we're going to give it a go. We're going to give it a go with auto. Then we're going to set it to the correct lens guard and see how the stitch line is. All right, let's get to the test. Actually, not tried that, but with the utility cage guard, that actually fits over the premium lens guards. Good to know. Standard lens guard set to auto. Standard lens guard set to standard lens guard. No lens guard, and it's set to auto. no lens guard and set to no lens guard. Premium lens guard set to auto. Premium lens guard set to premium lens guard. Right, so it's raining. Welcome to the UK. Interesting results there, because let me get this out of the way straight away. You can, in post, just change the stitching in post. Here's an image. You're looking at it now, you can change it in post. So changing it in camera didn't actually have any difference at all. What was interesting, and if you look back at the footage with the premium or the standard lens guard on, there was a stitching error just as I'm going past the flagpole and just as I'm going past the garage door. There's a little bit of a wobble there. The camera was set, so garage door was out here, flagpole was out here, so there is a bit of a wobble with the lens guards. They're not perfect, but if you come off with this thing without the lens guard, or drop it even if you're walking, that's it, game over. You at least get a second chance. So you do have a bit of a trade-off in 360 quality, knowing full well that if you do drop it, you've got a very good chance. Really raining now, so you can change it in post. There were stitching errors, you know, with the lens guards on, which is kind of acceptable, which is kind of understandable. It is going to get better. You can kind of faff around with it in the Insta app with the AI stitching, etc. But I still like them. But that's the test. Is it worth doing it in camera? You can if you want. You can do it in post. But this test has more highlighted the issue with the stitch line with the lens guards. And interestingly, it's raining now. The humidity's changed. The standard lens guard is fogging up. You won't be able to see this very well. But the premium one hasn't. Interesting. Right, we're going to conclude. This has been Tech Tuesday. You guys take care. I'm going to go and dry myself off. And I'll catch you for the next one.